Tired of brewing hot coffee with the same old recipe? Then stay with us till the end. Today, we have a treasure trove of hot recipes for you. Hello, coffee enthusiasts, and welcome back to the Barista channel. We are back with a series of hot coffee recipes to serve your cravings. You might have tried different hot coffees, but trust me, these 5 mouth-watering recipes will win your heart. Today in this video, you will see the complete recipe of a spiced mocha latte, a hazelnut almond mocha, coconut mocha, orange mocha, and a caramel vanilla latte. Let's head out to go get our ingredients. And to explore the useful coffee equipments, please refer to the description below the video. Let's start with the spiced mocha latte. If you are someone who likes the fusion of aromatic spices and rich cocoa gives you that warm feel, then you must try this. It is a harmonious blend of espresso, cocoa, spices, and warm milk, creating a comforting and flavorful experience. Whether enjoyed as a morning energizer or an afternoon treat, the spiced mocha latte is a perfect artful blend of flavors. For this spiced mocha latte, you will need 250 ml of milk, some cardamom pods, cinnamon powder, vanilla essence, unsweetened cocoa powder, and espresso. Let's brew it. Firstly, pour 250 ml of milk into a pot. Now, add 6 cardamom pods. Then, add half a spoon of cinnamon powder and vanilla essence in the pot. Bring the pot to a boil, reduce the heat to low, and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Till the time, prepare 1 espresso. Mix the espresso with 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Once your spices are infused with the milk, it is ready to pour. Use a small strainer to strain it. Pour it over the espresso and cocoa mixture. The second recipe we have for you today is the Hazelnut Almond Mocha Latte. If you want your coffee to have the nutty richness and chocolate blend, then this delectable beverage with the velvety notes of hazelnut and almond is perfect for you. The Hazelnut Almond Mocha Latte is best for someone who likes strong flavors in every sip. You can enjoy it as a morning booster or a delightful treat throughout the day. For preparing it, you will need 2 tablespoons chocolate hazelnut spread, 3/4 cup milk, I used whole, half a cup of strongly brewed coffee, and optionally whipped cream, chocolate drizzle, and chopped hazelnuts. Let's get into it. Firstly, brew your coffee and pour half cup into your desired mug. Now, in a small saucepan, heat your milk. Once it is warm enough, add in your 2 tablespoons of chocolate hazelnut spread and whisk until it is fully mixed. Pour your chocolate milk mixture over your hot coffee. Top with whipped cream, chocolate drizzle, and chopped hazelnuts. And you're done with that recipe. Third is the coconut mocha. This mocha is preferred by individuals who prefer a tropical twist to the classic mocha flavor. It has the rich essence of cocoa and the bright sweetness of coconut. The coconut mocha is perfect for you if you want a balance of the boldness and the coconut smoothness. It is perfect if you are a coffee lover, appreciating a delightful and unique twist to your coffee. For this, you will need a cup of brewed coffee, coconut milk, although you can use regular milk if you like, cream of coconut, and chocolate syrup. Let's start brewing. Simply whisk together the ingredients in a microwave-safe measuring cup or bowl and heat to steaming. You may also do this on the stove top if desired. Meanwhile, brew your coffee using your normal method and add it to the heated mixture. 2 mugs rimmed with chocolate sauce and chocolate chips and topped with whipped cream. Then, sit back and enjoy. Next, the orange mocha. If you have frequent visits from guests and want something tangy to serve, then try the orange mocha. It offers a delightful fusion of rich whipping cream with the bright and refreshing essence of citrusy orange. This unique combination appeals to those who enjoy a balance between the boldness of coffee, the tang of orange, and can be used as an energizing beverage. The orange mocha is a favorite choice for coffee enthusiasts who enjoy a dynamic flavor in their cup. For this, we will need 1 cup whole milk, 2 tablespoons mocha sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, zest from half an orange, zest for topping, 4 ounces of hot espresso. Let's start. Over medium heat, add milk to your saucepan. Mix in the mocha sauce, sugar, and orange zest. Once it begins to simmer, Whisk briskly until there's a thin layer of foam. To prepare whipped cream, add heavy whipping cream and sugar into a bowl and whisk or use a hand mixer until stiff peaks form. Pour hot espresso into a large mug, then add the milk mixture. Be careful not to pour in the orange zest. Use a strainer if needed. Top it off with a dollop of whipped cream and some fresh orange zest. Sit back and enjoy. Last is the Caramel Vanilla Latte. Trust me, kids just love it after a tiring day. This Caramel Vanilla Latte is for those individuals who enjoy the harmonious blend of rich caramel undertones, velvety smooth espresso, and the delicate sweetness of vanilla-infused cream. Whether enjoyed as a midday escape or a pick-me-up in the evening, this Caramel Vanilla Latte is everyone's favorite. For this, we will need half cup or 250 ml of organic whole milk, half cup of espresso, and vanilla caramel coffee creamer to taste. Let's get brewing. Brew the espresso, add steamed milk to the brewed espresso, and then add the creamer. That's it. Enjoy! And with that, it's a wrap for this video. Go get your ingredients and start brewing too. I'm sure you will love it. Thanks for being with us till here. If you like these hot coffee recipes, hit the like button, and for more such brewing adventures, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Share your brewing experiences in the comment section and let us know which one you loved the most.